In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use eToro Portfolio. First, log into your eToro account. Once you're in, look at the left-hand menu and click on Portfolio. This is your command center for everything you currently hold and everything you've previously closed, all in one clear dashboard. At the top, you'll see your total balance. Think of this as your overall account value, combining the cash you have available with the value of your open investments. Right next to that, you'll find your profit or loss. This shows how much you've gained or lost, both overall and, when you look deeper, on each individual position. It's a quick pulse check on how your portfolio is performing at a glance. Below that are your open trades. These are your active investments that move with the market. Keep an eye on them to understand how each asset is contributing to your results. You'll also see your closed trades, which is your history. This section helps you review past outcomes so you can learn what worked well and what didn't over time. From within the portfolio, you can dig into the details of any position. Click on any asset to open its page where you'll see a price chart and key stats. Take a moment here to review the movement of the asset and the numbers that matter, such as your entry point, current value, and unrealized profit or loss. This view is helpful for making informed decisions rather than reacting to short-term noise. If you decide it's time to exit a position, you can close a trade directly from the portfolio. Click the asset you want to close, then press Close Trade. You'll typically see a confirmation window summarizing what you're about to do. Closing a trade locks in the current result, whether that's a gain or a loss, and moves it from open to closed in your history. Make sure you're comfortable with the timing before you confirm, because once it's closed, that position is finished. You can also add more money to an existing position. Click an open position and choose Edit Trade. Increasing the amount boosts your exposure to that asset, so double-check that the size still matches your risk tolerance and strategy. Small, thoughtful adjustments can be more effective than big changes made on impulse. That's the core of using eToro Portfolio. Log in, open the portfolio, understand your totals and performance, explore details, close positions when needed, and add funds to trades you want to strengthen. Keep your decisions deliberate and revisit this dashboard regularly to stay on top of your investments.